Hello and welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a review on some hair that I bought. This one on my head which came from the US, and then this one came, it actually was from a company that's based in the UK. So basically with this one was the hair that I ordered first, I believe. I can't remember now because I can't remember because it was quite a while ago. So this one came, the ordering for this one was very quick. I ordered it and then within 2 days it was actually dispatched. And this one, I ordered it the same day as I ordered this. So this one's from the UK. And ordering again was fine, everything was fine. So basically, this one came within like a week, I believe. And I had to pay customs and all that, which was fine, and I was quite excited. And I received the hair and I was like, yes, I wanted to do pink, and then I ended up doing pink. And I've had this hair for quite a while and it's still really, I love the hair, and it's just a really great hair. But with this one, it was a whole different story. It took me, I think, about 2 months for me to receive the hair, and basically it was me emailing customer services trying to find out what was going on. They didn't say on the website at all that they were out of stock with the blonde hair. I know, like, for example, when I go on Nasty Girl, if something's low on stock, they will tell me once it's in my basket that they're actually low on stock and that they've got 2 or whatever they've got. And if it's in my basket, they will tell me, okay, this product or this whatever item is out of stock. But this was not the case with this. So I paid for it, and then I was emailing the customer service saying, okay, what's going on with my hair? When am I going to receive it? And customer service was it was hard to deal with them because they didn't tell me anything. They were just saying, oh, we'll send you your hair as soon as we get them. Oh, we're going to receive an order. We're receiving some order by the end of the week, and we'll send that to you as soon as possible. And 3 weeks gone past, I still don't receive my hair, so I emailed them back. I said, okay, well, I haven't received my hair. Can I go ahead and cancel my order? And they said that no, you can't cancel it because basically, I don't know, they gave me some backwards excuse. And I was like, okay, well, I want the hair now, so send it to me because I'm willing to actually for you to send it to me. They never actually. But yeah, so yeah, I kept on going on to, I was posting stuff on their social media because I was thinking that this was a dodgy website and I was never ever going to receive my hair because, you know, like, I'm not saying that they are. I was just a little bit scared because having read people, other stories of people who have actually been duped online, I was a bit cautious. I was like, okay, this is a UK company. Do you get what I mean? It's a UK company. This hair and this, ordered it on the same day. This one came, I was fine, I dyed everything, and I was wearing the hair, rocking the hair and everything, and this one was still not around. So yeah, I was going on the website, I went on their Twitter, I was leaving messages on Twitter, I was asking, okay, this is my order number, when am I going to receive my order? And then it was when I was going on their social media accounts, that's when I actually got a response from them. Emailing them was a dead end. And so I went on their Instagram, and then eventually there was this girl who actually contacted me on their Instagram, was saying that she's actually had the same experience with them, where she's ordered hair and she hadn't received it. She was as well, she was saying, oh, I ordered it and I haven't received it. When did you order your hair? So we actually sort of started talking, and it just became, I just became aware that this was actually what they were doing. Like, people were ordering and they weren't receiving their hair, even though, like, you know, you'd paid, and usually when you pay for something, it comes like within like a week or something. But anyway, yeah, the hair finally came, and I'm just gonna go now and tell you about what it was like receiving the hair and what my experience of dyeing the wig, and also I think I might have actually initially filmed what it was like dyeing this hair the first time. And let me just say this thing, it was fucking hard. I tried to dye initially when I bought this hair, I was thinking, okay, I can have pink and then I can have silver grey hair. Oh my god, was I completely wrong. So the hair that I bought, the colour that I bought was actually platinum blonde, which was the same colour as this one, because in my past experience, I've realised that when you buy black hair and you try to dye it blonde, do not try, because it would never ever get to that. Even when they say to me that it's virgin hair, it's not virgin hair. So I was like, I'm not doing that. I'm not going for that strain and that heartache again trying to dye black hair. So these hair I bought platinum blonde. So even though this was platinum blonde when it came, it was so hard to dye it grey. The hair did not want to take the colour. And I was saying when I received the hair, to be honest, it was silky, it was nice, it looked very, very good, it was very healthy. I was like, yes, I'm finally happy I've received it. Let me just work with this hair and get the colour that I want. Dyeing it, first time, did not take it. The grey did not even take it. Like, there was still blonde bits. I bought a lime crime collars that I bought, and which this hair took with no problem at all. This hair, just lovely to work with. It just took the colour. But this one, the blue, the anime blue that I bought for it to take with it, it grabbed it, but every single time a strand of it dropped on the floor or any water went in it, the hair would bleed. And I was scared of wearing it, because I was like, oh my god, what if I wear like a white top or something and then it ends up being a blue top at the end? I was like, fuck that, no, not doing it. So I was talking to my boyfriend. I was trying to find a way for me to for the hair to take the colour. I looked at it and then I thought, okay, bleaching the hair would make it a little less silkier. So, and then after I bleached it, I actually treated the hair as well, so it wasn't too dry. And so I dyed it, and that's the end product of this. And now it doesn't bleed at all. And when I bleached it, I realised like the lace front, it was actually shedding before, but now the shedding has gotten worse. I tell you, this hair is like, it's like the devil's hair. I should never have bought it at all. But anyway, like, the hair sheds, you comb it, it sheds, you run your hand through it, it sheds, you do whatever you do with it, it sheds. It's like everywhere in the carpet, and it was just like, I think my boyfriend hates his hair as much as I do now, because it goes everywhere and it's ridiculous. But I love the colour though, and it's still, you can see like strands of it where it's still sort of light, but it's actually taken the colour a lot more than it did with when I initially dyed it. And look at that, it's still silky, and like the extension is still very silky, and even though it's shed, it's still very full. But it's just the lace front is it's ridiculous. Like, it just doesn't look like a lace front anymore. It's just really, I spent like almost £400 on this hair, and it's just really quite heartbreaking, because I'm thinking to myself, why did I bother doing it? I should never have even bothered, because the thing is that having the heartache of ordering the hair and then receiving it, and it's still ruining my life. It's a little bit dramatic, but it's just a waste of money, to be honest. I've just got a few things that tips that I wanted to just share with you of what to look for, or when you want to, what to look for when you want to buy human hair extensions, especially if you're thinking of dyeing it vibrant colours. I would say definitely do not go for anything that says it's a virgin hair that's black or dark brown. Trust me, if you try to dye a dark brown hair or anything black to platinum blonde or blonde, and then trying to colour it with any vibrant colour, it will not take. Because I've had this experience. I've also tried another UK company, and they said that hair was virgin hair, and I tried to, they said, I've even went on their Instagram and they said that, okay, with some of their clients, they dyed dark hair to platinum blonde and it took the colour, and I tried it at home, did not work for me. I was like, so definitely do not buy anything that says, oh, I'm virgin hair, you can dye it platinum blonde even though it's black. Do not do that, because that's a waste of time and a waste of money. I would say go for platinum blonde hair, because it's easy to dye and you can always change the colour if you use non-permanent hair colour rather than permanent hair colour. Because I found that if you use permanent hair colour, because the hair has actually grabbed all the colour, dyeing it back to platinum blonde would be really hard. I found that when I've used non-permanent hair colour, when I want to change my hair color to something different, it's easy for me to bleach the hair, and it takes like probably like 2 minutes for me to bleach the hair, and then I can change the hair color. So I would say non-permanent hair color is another tip as well, in the fact, and another it's another tip as well. Another tip I would say is that look for a company, or go for a company that's got a really good reputation. Somewhere where you can go to the social media accounts, somebody that celebrities have endorsed, but I'm really quite cautious about that, because quite a lot of celebrities nowadays, or Instagram people, or Instagram famous people, what are they called? Brand influencers, actually they're called. Influencers are being paid to prance around in these things and say, oh, they're really good, when they've actually not tried it themselves. But because they're being paid, they're like, oh yeah, this is so nice, and it's just like, yeah, like it's really pretty and it's really good, go and buy it. Don't do that. Do your research, because this is your money that you're gonna be spending on this, and if it goes shit, you're gonna be crying, because I cried. I really cried over this hair, and I was like really gutted. And another tip is, yeah, don't care about which country they're from. It can be US, UK. Some of these UK companies are using AliExpress hair. You don't know. They might be using AliExpress hair. That's why maybe some of them are shit. But I'm just saying, like, do your research and don't care about which country they're from. US companies are good, UK companies are good. You just need to find the right company that's good for you to try their hair. And once you find that perfect company, I'm sure you would love the hair. And this hair, even though I ordered it from US and I paid extortion rate customs, I'm really quite happy, because it's taken me so long. I'm loving it every day, and I've changed from different shades of pink. I've gone orangey, sort of orange, and now I've gone to pink, and it's still taking the hair color, and I'm really quite happy. I didn't tell you, this hair is from a company called Kendra's Boutique Hair. I've been wanting to try it for ages, and I actually had extra money, and I thought, why not buy the hair? I saw this, what's that girl's? Black China? Black China is actually one of the person that I thought I actually discovered this company from. And even though she was wearing it, I went on their social media accounts, went on Google and searched and looked at other people's experience ordering this hair before I went ahead and bought the hair. I was, yeah, like the company that I would actually happily buy hair for them as a company again, because I know that when I go there and I buy something, it works for me, and I'm just quite happy, to be honest. So that's it for today. I'm really quite sorry if I've gone like raving mad and I'm swearing or anything, but I just thought I'd share my experience with you, because I know quite a lot of companies out there are selling hair, and when people receive them at home, it's not what they've actually promised. And I just thought I'd share my experience of this UK company. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thumbs up this video if you've liked it, and don't forget to leave your comments in the description bar below of anything you'd like for me to do. Don't forget to subscribe as well to my channel and help to support my channel and help me to grow. And yeah, it's been fun talking to you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.